So without wasting time, let's see the updated way to cancel Netflix subscription. And for that purpose, you have to open up your browser, whatever you use. It may be Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. It also works the same if you are on desktop. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here netflix.com and hit the search button. And when Netflix homepage appears up, it will ask you for a sign in, and that button is available at the top right. So tap on sign in and sign into your account using email address and password of your account. Now after being signed into your Netflix account, you have to tap on manage account button. And now when you are redirected to this page, you have to choose the last option from this list, which is view all settings. And here under your account, you'll see your plan name, which in my case is standard plan. And under this plan, you'll get an option manage membership. And if I scroll through this page, here the last option in this list is cancel membership. Now as soon as you tap on this option, it will ask you for a confirmation and your Netflix subscription will be cancelled. I'm not gonna tap on it because I had tried it in the past and it just does it with 1 or 2 clicks. And you can do the same things if you have installed the Netflix application. You have to just go to Netflix and tap on these 3 lines available at the top. And here the third option in this list is account. Now from this account page, you have to scroll to the end, and the second last option is cancel membership. You have to follow the same steps to cancel your membership, and that's how it works. Thank you so much.